Did you know that the world wastes enough energy each year to power all of Japan for an entire year? This staggering fact highlights why energy management has become crucial in today's business landscape. Organizations worldwide are grappling with rising energy costs, stringent environmental regulations, and increasing pressure from stakeholders to adopt sustainable practices. Without proper energy management expertise, companies find themselves losing millions in unnecessary energy expenditure while struggling to meet sustainability goals and compliance requirements. At the individual level, professionals and teams often feel overwhelmed by the complexity of energy systems and struggle to implement effective energy-saving initiatives. This leads to missed opportunities for cost reduction, decreased operational efficiency, and potential career limitations in an increasingly sustainability-focused business world. This comprehensive program bridges these gaps by providing cutting-edge knowledge and practical tools for effective energy management. You'll learn to develop and implement energy management strategies, conduct energy audits, and leverage the latest technologies for optimal energy efficiency. By participating in this program, you'll gain invaluable skills in energy data analysis, sustainability reporting, and project management. You'll learn from real-world case studies and industry experts who have successfully transformed their organization's energy profiles. The impact on organizations is transformative. Companies whose teams complete this program typically see a 15–30% reduction in energy costs, improved environmental compliance, and enhanced reputation among stakeholders. They become leaders in sustainable business practices and gain a significant competitive advantage in their industries. For individuals and teams, the benefits are equally impressive. Participants emerge as energy management experts, equipped to lead sustainable initiatives and drive organizational change. This expertise opens new career opportunities and positions them as valuable assets in the growing green economy. Don't let energy management challenges hold your organization back. Take the first step toward becoming an energy management expert and drive positive change in your organization. Enroll now to transform your career and help your company thrive in an energy-conscious world.